Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 3a. The test scores of 5 students are given in ascending order as we have 25, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9, and x plus 13. The median is 41. Determine the value of x, that is 3a1. So we're told that these scores are already arranged in an ascending order. So it means this is the median. We have 2 scores below it and 2 scores above it. So x plus 6 is the median. So what is the value of x? So it means that x plus 6 is equal to 41. Then we can solve for x here. X is equal to 41 minus 6, which is 35. Then 382, determine the standard deviation of the scores using your answer to 3a1. So we need to find these scores. We have 25, and then the other score will be x plus 3, meaning that is 35 plus 3. 35 plus 3 is 38. And then we have x plus 6, which is 41. 35 plus 6 is 41. That's the median. Then x plus 9. So 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 is 44. And then the last one, we have x plus 13, which is 35 plus 13. 35 plus 13 is 48. So these are the scores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to find the standard deviation. To find the standard deviation, we have to use what? We have to use our calculator. Let me show you how to use your calculator to find the standard deviation. So our standard deviation is equal to 7,8. Is one decimal place. 3a3. How many scores will lie within one standard deviation from the mean? So now we need to find the mean. Again, we're going to use our calculator to find the mean. Let's calculate the mean. The mean is equal to 39,2. 39,2, we got that from the calculator. Right, one standard deviation from the mean. So let's say we have the mean here. What do you mean by that? This is the mean, 39,2. So and then one standard deviation, it means you subtract 7,8 from 39,2 from the mean. So 39 minus 7,2, that is 31,4. Then you add this side, 39,2 plus 7,8, you get 47. It means your value should be between 31,4 and 47. So which values are between 31,4 and 47? This one is below. So we have 38, we have 41, 44. This one is above 47, which is fine. So these are the three scores that are within one standard deviation from the mean. The answer is 3 scores.